Every year in Venice on November the 21st we celebrate the Madonna della Salute Feast. It's a religious feast, but first of all a feast for the Venetians. We go to the Madonna della Salute church, and only on that day we can use a votive bridge that is upon the Gran Canal. This is the view of the Madonna della Salute church, planned by Baldassarre Longhena in 1631. The votive bridge, a pontoon bridge that connects the two sides of the Gran Canal only during these days. Venetians and people from the whole region come here every year to visit the church, and it's amazing when you can stand upon the Gran Canal where there's usually just water. And the gondolas go on through the canals like every day in this city. This is the rhythm of the lagoon. Ciao!